Just pour it into a watermelon, a delicious dessert with only 3 ingredients that will amaze every guest. Take 1 large watermelon and cut it in half. This fruit is the ultimate summer star, juicy, refreshing, and naturally sweet. Use a knife to score the flesh in a crisscross pattern, then scoop it out with a spoon into a bowl. Mash the flesh with a potato masher to make it smoother. Pour it into a tall pot and simmer on low heat for about 3 minutes. This concentrates the flavor and gives it a smoother texture. Strain the mixture to remove seeds and pulp. Then pour the liquid back into the pot and simmer for another 2 minutes. Let it cool. In a clean glass bowl, pour in 2 cups of chilled heavy cream. Whip it until stiff, adding sugar or vanilla extract for extra flavor. Once the cream is ready, slowly mix in the cooled watermelon juice. Stir until smooth. Now for the best part, watch closely. Pour the creamy mixture into the empty watermelon shell. Freeze it overnight. The result? Perfectly creamy, fruity, and surprisingly light watermelon ice cream. Just 3 ingredients to create something that tastes like it came from a fancy cafe.